Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Basia and today I wanted to talk to you about why you should do a craft, or at least try it at some point, and why is it so important for you? Like, what are the benefits? But before you get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button below so you never miss new video when it comes out. Most of us know that doing craft is basically creating things with your hands. And whether it's making wooden lamp, creating jewelry, drawing, painting, or knitting a hat. But I'm just wondering, how many of us actually know what are the benefits and why you should do craft? Why is it so important to you, to your well-being and maintaining your youth, mostly mentally? So here are 7 things that I think are the best and most important. Absolutely. Creating things, making things is a form of meditation. You enter this state of deep focus, you calm down and basically you relieve your stress. So that's a great way to relax. Oh yes, it gives you this opportunity to have this very much needed me time, or however you call it. It's just the time, those 15 minutes even during the day when you should absolutely just spend by yourself and do something that you love, that you want to do, and let your creativity flow. Exactly. By doing craft, you exercise your brain, so it's really important. We remember that we have to run or do push-ups or, do other sports for our body. But by doing craft, by learning new skills, using those skills, you exercise your brain, you're maintaining your health, mental health. And let me emphasize here, it doesn't matter what age you are. It works for everyone, really. It's amazing because when you create something and you finish it, it gives you this wonderful feeling of accomplishment. And whether it's beautiful or useful, so any form of DIY can give you that feeling that you started something and you finished it and you created something. And that actually brings me to another point. Yeah, you can give it to someone as a gift. And I personally find DIY gifts and handmade gifts the most special and amazing. So if you create something, you can give it to someone as a very one-of-a-kind thing that they will cherish. That's right. If you want to get serious about what you're doing and pursue it, you could try and turn it into small handmade business. That would be very exciting. Or not. That's the best thing. You shouldn't and you don't have to feel pressure that just because you can do something, now you have to turn it into business, that it has to earn you money. No, you can just leave it as your hobby, as a thing that you do in your free time that gives you joy and an accomplishment, and not worry about pursuing it as a career. So those are the 7 things that I think are the best about doing craft and the most beneficial to you. And now it's your turn to let me know in the comments below, what is it that you love to do in your free time? What form of craft do you do? How do you feel when you do it? I'm really curious to find out. And remember to subscribe to my channel and keep your eyes open for next video. I hope you enjoyed today's video and take care and see you soon. Bye!